I can't tell you how many times me and Cheryl get stuck at the end of a community function cleaning up after everybody, y'all. I mean, you'd think these people want their containers back. They're just throwing away good old Tupperware. But believe me when I tell you that none of these people in this trailer park can cook, y'all. Especially that Dale. Sorry, Dale. But I remember one time a few years ago, he was trying to impress me. He'd started cooking all of a sudden. Of course, this was back before him and Dreama decided to breed. Anyway, so he spends a whole afternoon in the kitchen making this tiny little dish of pudding for me. I mean, he put it in this little container and everything. It was so cute. I mean, he really, really went all out. Anyway, so he sets the thing down right in front of me. And all of a sudden, he pulls out a tiny little blowtorch and just sets the whole thing on fire right in front of me, y'all. Who would just set a perfectly good pudding on fire? It was vanilla. It's one of my favorite flavors. I mean, I thought, Dale, where on earth did you see someone setting a teeny tiny little pudding on fire, y'all? Is that on food TV? Anyway, he tried to come up with some stupid name for it, called it a cream broil or something. I thought, Dale, you better wake up. But then I thought, I need to find out where he got that tiny little blowtorch. Set off my firecrackers at Gary Lee. So between Dale's edible science experiments and all the crap these people around here cook, I mean, you'd think they use concrete in their recipes. I've tried to salvage some of their containers, y'all. And I just can't stand messy people, Cheryl. I don't have time. I'm not your maid and I'm not your mother. Cheryl, you got a little smudge on your face. Go like this. Come here.